Is your Chevy Equinox alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the hood latch switch, key fob battery, and the vehicle's main battery. First, consider the hood latch switch, especially if you have a 2018 or newer model. Road vibrations or weather changes can trigger a faulty switch. Next, check your key fob battery. A weak battery can cause intermittent signals. Lastly, a low vehicle battery can also disrupt the alarm system, especially in hybrid models. We'll show you how to check these components in the next section. Let's walk through some quick fixes. For the hood latch switch, inspect it for corrosion or misalignment. Cleaning the switch and applying a weatherproof seal can often resolve the issue. If it's your key fob, replace the CR2032 battery. For the vehicle battery, test its voltage. It should be above 12.4 volts. If it's low, consider charging or replacing it. You can also try resetting the body control module, BCM, by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes. If problems persist, especially if your Equinox is still under warranty, consult a certified technician or dealership.